Guys, today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to log out. When you just click here on log out here, so then it's going to take you out of your account on your Lemon app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.